In this video, I'm going to show you how to install DeepSeek to your Windows 11 computer. So if you want to go and install DeepSeek as an application, then we first need to head over to an internet browser. Now, I'd recommend using Google Chrome, and then we're just going to head over to the website deepseek.com. From the website, click on Start Now, and then just go and sign in with your DeepSeek account. If you don't already have one of these, then you can just go and create a free account. Now, once you're signed in, click on the three vertical dots in the top right-hand side. Scroll all the way down and select Cast, Save and Share, and then select Install Page as App. Now just go and give this application a name, so I'm just going to call it DeepSeek and press Install. Now, as you can see, this will open up DeepSeek in its own application, so I can just minimize out of my internet browser. And if you come down to your taskbar, you can even see the application icon here. So what we're going to do is just right click on this application and select Pin to Taskbar. So now, even when we close out of this application, we can just simply open it back up, and this is going to open in its own application, and you can use this how you would normally use the web version of DeepSeek. So it's as simple as that, guys. If you did find this video helpful, then let me know in the comments and I'll see you in the next one.